Want to know another way to design your walls? Create wallpaper borders using Digiscape peel and stick digital printable wallpaper. In this video, we will show you how to create your own wallpaper border that you can use for personal or for business. First, create your design with your design software, then print with laser toner printer. It can also be printed with UV, SOLVENT, and LATEX Printer. Once you're done, you can cut it with a flatbed cutter, scissors, utility knife, or any roll cutter. And now, we're ready to apply it on our wall. Digiscape is self-adhesive and removable. Just peel off the adhesive backing paper and stick to any dry and flat surface. This wallpaper border is a perfect gift for a friend or family member who likes to decorate their house. Another idea on how to make profit using Digiscape is to offer printing a fun photo collage for kids' wallpaper or their favorite cartoon characters. Design your own wallpaper borders to add creativity and personality to your home, office, restaurant, retail shops, and more. For more information, visit our website at www.decorgraph.com. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.